others. Kids should respect their parents. A wife and husband should respect each other, and child should respect adults, and friends should have to trust each other. And because of this, lots of cultures and customs have appeared during the Joseon dynasty with these basics. This is a book called Samgam Sinchildo, which is a book that tells you about the Confucianism things. And as you can see there's a picture.
It was like kind of the street of six ministries. So when we just like crossed the street, we could see all of the markets like in Unjongga and like all of the ministries, like six ministries when we walk to the street. But like their rule was different. Like usually the six ministries, they just like do some politics and debated each other for like all of the different parts. And the Unjongga, it was kind of a big commerce system. So the Yukjogori and like commerce system, Unjongga was different from
tourists in the center of the country. So second, there were shops called Hyojeong and both on the both sides of Hyojeong, as you see here, this straight here and that way. So third, the popular place of Joseon, where people gathered like crowds. So it was just like a main street, and if I liken to these days, it's like Jongno or Hongdae, Sinchon, or these popular places. So fourth, the big road across